Hi my beautiful people, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to Purple Haze Week. We are day 3. Oh my gosh, wait, why am I having a brain fart? What day are we on? Our pregnancy is like really getting to me. I think this is day 3. If not, I apologize for saying the wrong number. But we're on day 3, I think. But anywho, today we're doing another purple look, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all make sure y'all check out my Instagram story. I talked about this robe, y'all. This robe is so beautiful, so comfortable. I got this off of Amazon and it's just so beautiful and comfortable. Like, I can't stress that enough. But anywho, I already prepped and primed my eyes. My brow bone highlight is already on. Today I'm going to do another purple look, of course, but today's purple look is gonna have like a little twist. I am trying to recreate one of my birthday looks I did last year. If I can find the picture, I'll insert it, but I did this color liner and it was so beautiful and I want to do it again. I want to do it again, but I want to do probably like a blue liner, I'm thinking, maybe. We'll see how it goes. And then today I want to be using this palette. This is the GLAMLITE Wine palette. This will be my first time using this one. This was part of the Happy Hour collection. And look at the shade ranges in here. Like, it's not just your usual purple monochromatic palette. Like, there's pops of other colors. So I'm excited. So we're gonna be trying out this palette today and then doing a purple look. So, hey girl, hey, okay? Let me get my brushes and stuff ready because I was not prepared today. I'm kind of slagging a little. My kids and my pregnancy has really hit me. I feel like first trimester all over again. But I'm trying to push through it because I'm like, no, we're not gonna let this knock us down, you know. But I do feel a little sluggish today. And like I said, my kids are just like really getting to me. They've just been really busy, not sleeping. I've been trying to get them on a sleeping schedule and it's not working at all. I don't know what to do, okay? I'll be 19 weeks tomorrow. I'm almost halfway there of my pregnancy. Lord, keep giving me the strength to continue to work through this pregnancy so that way I can bring in a healthy baby. All right, amen on that. So let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can get up close and personal with all this beauty, okay? All this beauty, boo. So y'all know the routine. We're gonna start off with the crease. Why is my lid creasing right now? Just noticed that. Where's my brush at? That's not blending it out. What is going on? This stuff never creases on me. That was weird. Okay, anywho, going in with the palette, I'm going to be going in with the shade Vintage, which is the deepest matte purple in this palette. So I'm going to start off by putting this right in the crease. Now this is really dark. And yes, we're doing another cut crease, like you already know. You already know, this is what I like to do. All right, so to help blend out this dark purple, I know my eyes are not even, don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. I was just trying to figure out exactly where to go to blend this out. I'm kind of leaning towards this blue looking shade just to change things around. Being that I'm gonna do a blue liner, I think it's gonna help embrace that blue. I just want to see if this color is actually light enough to blend it out. Kind of looks similar, so I'm just going to still do it anyway that I already put it on. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this detail to the crease. And then I'm going to go in with a really light color just to fully make sure this is blended out correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it purplish. This is where the decision, I'm like, where do I go next? So I'm debating on these two purples and which ones I want to do. So the top one, that's called Orman, and then the one underneath is Earthy. I think Earthy is gonna give me more of the blend that I want. Let's see. Well, Earthy's a little too white, so let's do Orman. We're gonna do that instead. And I'm just gonna buff out that blue purple color. And this will be like the last purple color in my crease. So I'm gonna really take my time with this one, being that this is the grand finale. I really don't want this to have any harsh lines. So blending is the key to any eye look, but especially this look today. And I'm going to go in with a brush that has nothing on it. I'm just going to help blend out the crease area because I don't want to have any harsh line. And if needed, if you do like a brow bone highlight like me, I am going to go back in with that and reapply it so that way it can make these colors blend a lot better in my crease. And I'll show you guys that step just in a few. I'm just reapplying my brow bone highlight, which is by Ulta. Go right back in and just bring that back down like nothing happened. And then again, nothing added to the brush. I'm just going back and blending everything together. Look at that blend, sis. Girl, I'm telling y'all, reapplying and blending is just the key in making the eye looks blend. Look at that. So I'm gonna reapply some of the colors just to make them more deeper. And then I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and I'm gonna come up right back, sis. Get into this cut crease. So I just thought about it when I was doing my cut crease. I was like, if I keep doing like the same placement style cut crease, lid cut crease, it's gonna look the same, being that I am using purple shades. So I decided we're gonna switch things around. Being I already got the crease cut, we're gonna do a peekaboo. And the peekaboo is where the spotlight color is right in the center, and then the outer and inner part is a deeper color. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that with a little bit of glitter or sprinkle of glitter or shimmer. We'll see. Somebody is playing with their motorcycle right now and it's really driving me crazy outside. Alright, so the color I think I'm gonna go for, do I want to do a matte or do I really want to bring one of these metallic eyes? Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, I was trying to see the, oh, these metallics in this GLAMLITE palette is beautiful. I don't, where to go? Which way did I go? Okay, I like this one because it has a little bit of like a blue undertone to it, but this one is so beautiful as well. Oh, where do you want to go? Okay, I'm just gonna go with the blue one because we're doing a blue liner and I think it's just gonna look different from any other looks I've done. Look at that. And I'm applying this dry because I want to see how pigmented this eyeshadow is on its own before setting the brush, but I think this is doing really good on its own. Like they did have a little bit of a lighter color in this palette when it came to the shimmer, like a really light metallic purple color. But they got light colors matte wise, but they don't have a light metallic formula. Okay, this is so cool. So this is in the shade Fruity. Okay, I feel like I need some different shade ranges because now that I have it on, I feel like I'm just putting on like one shade. So I do want to see different purple shade ranges on my eyes. So we're gonna switch things up just a tad bit. So I am gonna go in with this light lavender color. I am gonna put her in the inner and the outer part, just to switch things up. Alright, so I definitely want to deepen my outer part and my inner, but just not the colors that's in my crease. So I'm going to go with Pour It Up, I think, which is this color right here. I'm going to make sure that I blend Earthy and Pour It Up together. And then only for the outer part, I am going to take a little bit of that vintage color just to close it off just a little bit. I'm not gonna put it in my inner because I really don't like having dark colors in my inner part. It's just not my forte, okay? Like my lighting is definitely washing this look away, but we're gonna try to regather it back because on my camera it looks a lot more vibrant, but the colors on here on my camera, from what I look at, looks like it's just one color, but the details is playing a part for this look, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with a loose glitter. This is by Globe Academy. It's this really pretty lavender purple glitter. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply a little of that to the center part of that color, just make it sparkle just a little bit more. Ooh, this is so cute. I don't think you guys can see the details in this, but I am getting spaceship vibe. So I'm gonna do my liner real quick and then I'll be right back. And of course the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be right back. See the effect on the eyes yet? Let me see if I can turn my light off so you guys can really see it. Oh, I think you guys gonna sound a little better like that. I like this. Okay, but I need my lights to guide me. Wait, good. It's the setting I had it on, but oh well. So now we're gonna do the bottom lash line. I want a little bit more of this light purple, so I'm gonna go with, because I don't want to be too dark. So let's go with Pour Up. I totally forgot, but I gotta do this off camera because I gotta have a really steady hand with this, but I'm gonna add my blue liner right on top of my black liner. So I'll be right back. I only did one lash because I just wanted to show you guys the work of art, because these lashes are super duper dramatic and they are covering up a little bit of my eye work, but I already put them on and I'm in love with it. But this is what I did. As you guys can see, I did this off camera. This liner is a pretty color, but it's busted crusted, and I had these for about, I want to say 2 years, so it's time for me to throw them away and probably reorder them. And I got them off of Amazon. They were really like cheap, and they came in like different variety of different shade ranges, but I didn't know how to use them back then. So now I know how to use them and I want to use them now, but now they're all dried up. So my liner up close and personal, it's not cute. So I kind of need these lashes just to hide just a little bit, but you can still see the detail. Look, girl, you can still see the detail. And the lashes that I have on are Beauty Creation. These are in the style Business Talk, so I've never tried these before, so first time ever. But anywho, let's move on to the face. Jump right into the lips. I'm gonna go in with a lip liner. Going in with not that shade. Going in with a different lip pencil today. This is by LA Girl, and these are the Perfect Precision eyeliner, but I'm using it for a lip liner for today. This right here on my desk, and I'm being too lazy to get up and get another shade. Going in with JUVIAS shade 2020, which is a really nice like pinky nude color. Then I'm gonna add a nude pink in the center part. This is by Hank and Henry. You already know this one by, it's called Love You So Much. And then you already know my gloss. No other, okay? So Juicy by ColourPop. And then for my blush, I'm gonna pink it out with this beautiful pink blush by Bakerie. I'll pop it right on the cheeks. Oh my gosh, look at this blush. Woo. For those who know me, y'all know I love me some blush, so I do go all out with my blush. So this might be over the top, you know, do what fits you, boo, but I'll go hard or go home, okay? So we're not going home, we're going hard. So for my highlighter today, I'm going in with the MIKAYLA and GLAMLITE highlighter, okay? My background is like really loud. They are really on a 10,000 today, okay? We're gonna pop that and chisel that on the tip of my nose. Oh my gosh, woo! Definitely gonna blend that out just a little bit. And then I'm going to add my pregnancy highlight is what I call it, because They were like, oh my gosh, your cheeks and stuff, you're like glowing. I'm like, girl, it's the highlighters. I feel like we forgot about highlighters. Like, they still exist, they still work good. Pop that thing on, okay? Pop her on. Don't let them highlighters go to waste. I sure don't. All right, my love, so this completes the look, honey. Can we get into her, sis? I told y'all this is going to be a banger. Girl, girl, yes. I really love this look. I forgot to tell you guys, right in the inner part, I did pop another shade. And it was the sparkling one, which is the name of the eyeshadow. It's called Sparkling. It's like a really pretty purpley pink color. And that is pretty much it. I didn't do anything else. I hope you guys like it. I feel naked without my neck because I gotta put that on before I take my pictures and stuff. But yes, this is the look, you guys. Get into her. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really see this blue liner effect. But yes, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's look because she is definitely cute. Definitely give me different vibes from the past 2 looks that I've done. And that's what I'm kind of shooting for as well. And it definitely goes with the outfit today. It's just a simple maxi purple dress with this nice deep V cut going on right here. And I got this from Fashion Nova. And it's such a beautiful dress. I thought it was gonna be longer than expected. Ooh, I just kicked the camera, sorry. I thought it was gonna be longer than I expected it to be, but it's not. It's really a cute, nice maxi dress. And it's kind of like these type of sleeves, so it's cute. I like her, so I hope you guys like it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys come back tomorrow to see another purple banger for Purple Haze week, okay? You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys, like I said, tomorrow with another look.